Alright guys, this is News Listener by Angelo. Salamat po sa mga manonood. At if hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, so pag-usapan naman natin yung recent news, yung SEC. Okay, sabi dito sa Bilyonaryo News Channel ay nilagyan o they fine Villar Land 12 million over reporting lapses, misleading disclosure. Okay, so let's listen, tapos punta tayo sa isang page mamaya for more information.
The Securities and Exchange Commission slaps Villar Land Holdings with multi-million peso fines after failing to submit its audited financial statements.
Audited financial statements. So, nagano sila, kumbaga, hindi nila na-report in due time. Kumbaga, merong date, pero ano ginawa nila? Nagpa-banjing-banjing.
Case spotlights the critical role of corporate disclosure in protecting investors and safeguarding market.
Yon, di ba? Kung natatandaan nyo, ang dami nilang business. Meron silang sa communication, sa land, saan pa? Mas malaki yung kanilang yung mga pabahay nila, di ba? Pero yung yung prime water pala. So, siguro may mga madami pang mga business na nakapangalan sa mga bilyar.
Integrity. Sujin Kim has this report.
The Securities and Exchange Commission is cracking down on Villar Land Holdings, led by ultra-billionario Manny Villar and Senators Mark and Camille Villar. It was first revealed in the
Okay, sabi dito, SEC fines Villar Land Senators Mark and Camille brother Paulo, dad Manny, 7 other executives over reporting lapses and misleading. So, napaka-laking kumpanya, ang daming pera, mga senador pa ang mga anak, former senators ang mag-ina at yung tatay at nanay. Ang dami yung pera, pero meron pang allegation or issue sa inyo when it comes to reporting financial information. Kumbaga, ang dami niyo ng pera, so bakit meron pa kayong ganitong kabulustugan, di ba? So parang ayaw niyo i-disclose or i-mislead yung publiko sa ganitong aspeto, di ba? Okay, anyway, let's leave that. Let's go to another page para basahin natin. Okay, so let's make this bigger. So sabi dito, you guys can do this on Google. Punta lang kayo sa website at search nyo lang yung SEC wants Villiers to pay 1 million. Okay, sabi dito, Security Exchange Commission did not ask Villiers to pay 1 million. Instead, the agency imposed 12 million administrative fine on Villar Land Corporations and directors, including Manny Villar, his children, and failing for financial reports. Yun, nasabi ko kanina. Tapos yung misleading disclosure. This fine is violating the Security Exchange Regulation Code, and the SEC is also conducting fact-finding probe. Companies' 1 trillion valuation, which result from property revaluation. Okay, punta tayo sa baba. So yun guys. Bale, ayaw nilang if yung pag-file ng report, financial report, tapos yung misleading disclosure ay yun ang ginagawa ng mga kumpanya ng Villar. So details of fine, 12 million. Companies individual fine. So Villar Land Holdings, tapos yung mga director, including si Manny, ang mga anak niya. Reasons for fine, repeated failure to file required financial reports. So, ang tagal nila sa business pero yung failure to report yung financial nila. Ano ba naman 'yan, 'di ba? Ang laki yung company at mukhang ang dami yung issues subject to massive increase in land valuation, net profit in 2024, which jumped almost 1 trillion from 1.4 billion. So ano to? 1.46 billion tapos magiging 1 trillion. Aba. So merong may kita kang itong pattern, di ba? Cost of value increase, fair value gains of investment properties. So kung hindi mo ma-disclose, so may kita to ng SEC na parang meron kayong ginagawang kababalaghan, di ba? So, investigating focus, determine if there was insider trading, market manipulation, and other irregularities. So, sa mga tao nating katulad nating nagbabayad ng buwis, at sana maliwanagan tayo, especially yung mga bumoto kay Mark at saka kay Camille. Sana ho, malaman nyo to at isipin nyo yung kinabukasan muli kung buboto kayo sa 2028 kasi si Mark magiging available, magre-re-election yan sa 2028, di ba? So, itong mga companies na to na hindi nagbabayad ng tama o hindi pinapakita ang kanilang documents, paano na lang tayo? Ang liit natin, pero tayo nagbabayad buwis, pero yung mga higanting kumpanya ay parang tumatakas sa kanilang responsibilidad, di ba? So I hope guys, may magbago sa susunod na election. All right? So anyway, if you have any comments and suggestion, please write it down and I'll see you in the next video. Salamat po sa pakikinig at yeah, and have a good day. See you next time. Thank you.